Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a Barkbox to unbox, Oliver's favorite. Oliver he's almost 10 months old now. He's a Goldendoodle. He's half poodle, another week he'll be 10 months old. He's half poodle and half golden retriever, and he's about 47 pounds. And he does love these Barkboxes. I'll have a link below if you want to try Barkbox for your dog. You either sign up, you could just get one box, or 6 months, or 12 months. And it's cheaper the longer you sign up for. And this is Mason. He's actually Oliver's owner. Okay, you ready? He always helps me with my clothing unboxings. He likes to eat the paper that's in them. So this time you actually get to have what's in it. What in the world? Let me show you. Wait. Let me show y'all. It looks like, is that like, it looks kind of like $1. What do you think?
It's like a map.
And then when you open it, let's show you what it looks like. You get 2 treats, 2 bags of treats, 2 toys, and usually some kind of chew.
Hey, calm down, little buddy. Calm down.
Let's see what this paper says.
Oh, it looks like it's like Greek themed.
Oh, cool, because you read that book. What's the name of that book you read? About the battle.
Gates of Fire?
Yeah.
And this isn't that. This is
Okay.
like Greek gods. Thor.
But this is really cool. It says Norse Sniffology.
Hey, calm down. Yeah, it's got Thor's mighty ham roast and Freya's sweet potato fries.
Oh, sweet potatoes.
It's from Feast of Valhalla.
Okay. Well, he has to try them. You want to try it, Oliver? Sweet potatoes. You've never had sweet potato before. Sit. Good boy. They actually really smell good. You like that?
Ooh, he's gonna love this. Smell this.
Oh my goodness. I mean, they smell as good as people food. Oh, that's gonna last a while.
Oliver, look at this. Look at this.
It says Thor's mighty ham roast.
Come here. Sit. Hey. Sit. Down. Because you can't really roll over on the bed.
Oh, that's gonna take a while to chew. Are you gonna be interested in your toys? Behold the Barbarian. So there's some other toys that I guess they have at their shop.
Is that a cutout hat?
It's a little Viking hat, let me show you. That I guess pops out. Some of these things are kind of fun for kids. Oh my gosh, the toys are so cute. Look at that. It's a little, is that a shark? It's so cute, he's gonna love it. What do you think, Oliver? You like that? Oh, it's got a lot of different textures on it. He always loves the Barkbox toys. Okay, and what? It's a Viking with the orange beard. It says, oh, it's Eric the Red Squirrel, so it's a Viking squirrel. Crinkle tail. And these toys are made so that once your dog chews through them, there's a toy on the inside, so you can feel there's like a spiky ball on the inside. And he loves working on them until he gets out whatever's on the inside. And there's one more thing. It's Jones Natural Chews Porkly Links. So he'll enjoy that. Alright, well that is everything in the box this month. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, subscribe below and give us a thumbs up.